What actually happens inside your head if you violently hold back a powerful sneeze? When you block your nose and mouth, the explosive air pressure inside your respiratory system shoots up to 20 times higher than normal. Instead of escaping safely at 100 miles per hour, this trapped kinetic force blasts backward into your skull. This violent pressure wave can easily rupture your eardrums, tear delicate blood vessels in your eyes, or even rip a painful hole in the back of your throat tissue. In the most severe medical cases documented, this sudden internal shockwave has actually caused dangerous brain aneurysms to burst or trapped air deep inside the chest cavity between the lungs.